On March 20th, KCBP 95.5 FM will celebrate the Sounds of the Valley virtual concert with a dozen local performers. This is a fundraiser for KCBP Modesto Community Radio. Here are some of the local bands you will hear: Patty Castillo Davis, The Flowers, Bodessa, Koala and the Golden Boy, Blues Box Bayou Band, Third Party. Remember, March 20th on the Modesto View Facebook page beginning at 12 p.m. when you will hear a dozen local artists performing to help raise funds for KCBP. To make a donation, volunteer, or for more information, go to kcbpradio.org or look us up on the KCBP Radio Facebook page.